In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a payment for an invoice in Hubstaff. Ensuring that your invoices are accurately updated with payment information is crucial for maintaining clear financial records. So, let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring that it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Hubstaff account. Once you're in, you'll notice a series of menus on the left-hand side of your dashboard. These are your primary navigation tools within Hubstaff. For this task, we'll focus our attention on the Financials tab. You'll find this option represented by an arrow icon. Go ahead and click on it to access the financial section where invoices are managed. Upon clicking, you'll be taken to a new screen where you'll see the Invoices tab. Click on this tab to view a list of all the invoices you have issued. This is your central hub for managing all things billing. Take a moment to find the specific invoice for which you need to record a payment. If you have many invoices, you might need to scroll through, or you can use the search feature to quickly locate it by typing in relevant details. Once you've located the correct invoice, direct your attention to the action option associated with it. This is typically found on the far right of the invoice entry. Clicking on Action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options designed to manage your selected invoice. The one we're interested in today is Record Payment. Clicking on Record Payment will open a dialog box where you'll need to input details of the payment you received. This step is crucial, as entering accurate payment information will ensure that your financial records reflect the most current data. Here, you will typically need to include the amount paid by the client, the payment method, and any notes or additional details relevant to this transaction. It might be helpful to cross-check this information with your bank statements or payment confirmations to prevent any discrepancies. Once you have entered all the necessary details, take a moment to review your entries for accuracy. Double-checking this information helps to prevent errors in your financial record keeping, which is essential for maintaining a healthy business operation. When you're confident everything is correct, click on the Save or Submit button, which finalizes the recording of this payment on the invoice. And that's it. The invoice you have selected will now reflect that a payment has been recorded, updating your financial data accordingly. With this process completed, you can rest easy knowing your financial records are all in good order. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, ensure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on Hubstaff and other business